Hey, we're at Berth 93 in San Pedro, the port for Los Angeles. We're getting on the Grand Princess for a 32-day cruise, 16 days back to back, Alaska and Panama Canal. Let's see how quick this goes. It's about 10:30 right now. 10:15.
11:15.
11:15. What?
Passports and documents.
Okay, have our boarding pass ready. When you get into the terminal, there's an escalator, water, wine, 2 bags full. Although on turnaround day, we'll probably buy more. Walk to the market here. Oh, some people don't like escalators. This escalator looks new. And this is where you check in. She's
Third line for ED.
well, we're blue line, so I think we got to get over there. Blue lane, see it? Well, this is a lot quicker than last time. It took an hour last time and then you check in there and you get on the ship. So this is going to take less than 10 minutes to board. And I thought Royal Caribbean was fast. Blue lane means you didn't get your medallion yet.
Yeah.
And now we got them. Wait, before you open those, pop the medallion out, please.
Okay.
And you can keep the thing.
You can keep everything else.
Oh, okay.
I have a whole box full of those.
Oh, it's souvenirs.
We have these.
Oh, okay. The bracelets, yeah. There you go. I have Janet. There you go. And I have Garrett. There you go.
We have our medallions. Hey. And there's a line now. Well, this is the longest line right here. Of course, boarding starts at 11. We got here 11:15 and it's only 11:20 now. So that took 5 minutes. And now the line is for just getting on the ship, which seems a little weird. I guess if we had our medallions, we could just go to one of these little iPads kiosks. So we're still in this line, which now is getting longer, but right around the bend there, we'll be getting on. I don't know if it's because people are getting their picture taken. I feel like most people skip the picture, but we do. Yeah, see, it's just a long, long, long line. Wow. Okay. So then you're going to go through the x-ray machine. They're going to x-ray your stuff. We're through.
It's 11:35. So that took 15 minutes.
And now we're boarding. Hi. What? Right there? And there it is, the Grand Princess. And here we are. And so now a little zigzag, and we're on. As you get near, the line forms again. Heads up. Moving gangway. Gangway.
You're working. You're working.
And we're in. Hi.
Hi, how are you?
I'm great. How are you? Hi.
Welcome aboard. Welcome aboard.
Guest services.
One deck down. Welcome, sir. Welcome back.
Thank you. Oh, this is the ship where you can't go up any further than here in the midship stairway. I don't think it's open for us. So we're going to head to the back and go up. Howdy. Just so you know, 11:40. So it took us 25 minutes, give or take. I think my math is right. To Emerald Deck 8. And our cabin is 622. Are they getting higher?
Go that way.
Yep.
Yeah.
And there's a paint smell or varnish smell. It's an ocean view obstructed cabin.
We're just gonna put these in the closet, right?
Okay.
Oh yeah, that's obstructed.
Well, a little peephole. Well, we went to our cabin. Now we're in the Explorers Lounge, and these are some of the games they play on board. So they're just advertising yes, no, and voice of the ocean, marriage match, and so on. So we're going to sit down and do our
Safety briefing.
safety briefing, the video, and then go to our muster station. You always want to do that first, after you go to your room and unload your junk. Well, as luck would have it, let me walk up here. This is our muster station, so we need to go over there and check in. Muster Station C, Explorers Lounge. So we just happened in the right place. So you just tap your medallion on his medallion reader, and they will guide you. Guide you, guide you, guide you.
There you go. Wow. Thank you. Enjoy. Hello. Yeah.
All right.
Just like that.
Yeah, no. You just need to watch the safety video on the
We
phone
already
and the
did.
TV. Okay. We're good to go now.
Good to go eat.
Yes. Oh, buffet is split 14.
12. I did notice they've changed these. Information is differenter. 14 in the buffet. Looking for a place to sit. It's pretty crowded. You have to go outside. Go to the other side. It's about 2:30. We've sat at this table in the buffet for a couple hours now, but they just announced that our cabins are ready, so we're gonna head down there. Notice there's nobody left up here. Emerald Deck 8, port side. Again, hey, wow, they're already rigged up. Hey, that wouldn't be our suitcases, would they? Oh. Wait. Open it. And that is not our suitcases. So, apparently our room is ready. Oh. And our mini bar is set up. But that was set up earlier. They give you some stuff here. I will show you. This is day 2, the pattern, so it's like a schedule. And the highlights, or the highlights they think, and every day they'll feature some crew member or officer. Need to know tomorrow is formal. So here's the sail away party, and of course they're playing loud music, and I don't see any dancers down there, so we'll just mosey on by. Well, as a warning, these are the beers out of our refrigerator that came with our mini bar, and we had to get glasses of ice, so if you've never had beer with ice, at least it's cold. because they were not cold. They were cool maybe, but not cold, and it's hot here. So it's about 3:30 now, and we were supposed to leave at 3, but the captain just came on and said there's a medical disembarkation. So that happens a lot.
All the time now.
A lot. I remember a few months back we pulled out and pulled back in medical disembarkation, and the cruise after that we got all the way almost to the jetty, almost to sea, and stopped, and they came in boats and took somebody off. So that's boarding day. Look, Janet found a duck.
Look.
Yeah.
Cruisers are Gil and Claudia Lopez from Oxnard, California. Thank you.
So we're pulling straight back from the terminal. Let's go upstairs. I think that's our pilot boat waiting. Here we are pulling out from the terminal. Of course, we're going back because the front of the ship is up there. So we're gonna back out, do a 180, and go out the channel. That's Catalina Island out there. 26 miles across the bay. This is deck 16. Don't think they ever use this bar anymore, although they did change it a little bit. So maybe they're going to start using it. I think the smoking area is right down there. Because it smells like smoke up here. Yeah, maybe you can see. That's the Vincent Thomas Bridge. Long Beach is off that way, the Carnival cruise port. In my experience, we get really close to this Evergreen ship, and it seems like there's always one there. That's the Catalina Express dock down there. See his turn? See Janet? Isn't she lovely? Getting close? You'd almost think we were going to hit it. Of course, remember the ship is equipped with thrusters, which are propellers on the sides of the ship, front and back, fore and aft. So they're thrusting this way right now. And it looks like we're going to miss it again. In a minute, he's going to start forward. Anytime now. Anytime. We're underway. Of course, it's been an hour or so. We're out to sea. Since Janet and I are elite on Princess, they throw this little Captain Circle party every night. Every, cocktail hour, let's say. The drinks aren't free, but the food is good. Hey, a violin. Sax and violins. So these people are all platinum and elites. There's quite a few people in here.
And that's okay.
Quite a few.
Once in a while.
Let me show you the food. You have to pay for drinks, remember, but they got these snacks up here. And it's different every night. Well, we got back to our cabin. It's almost 6:30. Dinner's in an hour, and we got one of our 4 suitcases. So Janet's the lucky person. I'm gonna wait and wait and wait. So that's boarding day on the Grand Princess, and generally all Princess cruises. I will say that the luggage is normally here by now, So I don't know what's going on, but
Maybe they're short on crew
anyway.
or carts. We saw the guy wheeling 2 suitcases at a time,
2
so
suitcases.
maybe they don't have the carts.
So I'm Gareth,
I'm Janet.
and we're the Port Monkeys, and we'll see you in the next port.
Thanks for watching.
Bye.
Bye.
So we decided to play Welcome Aboard Trivia with Memo from Mexico.
So, what we're gonna do now is make sure that you have a
I bring a
pencil and
Carnival
paper. First of
pencil
all, if you don't have
because they have
one,
erasers.
please come closer.
Well, it's a little after 7. We just played trivia and lost miserably. But there's 3 more suitcases here, so all present and accounted for, sir.